Is Wrike the future of project management? Wrike is a major player in the project management software space, sitting atop many of our top 10 and best 4 lists. But what features help it really stand out from more than 150 other project management solutions? Can you boost your team or company productivity and collaboration with one tool? And how is it using AI to enhance team productivity? I'm Kyle, and with the help of our experts at TechnologyAdvice, we'll go through each of these questions so you'll know if Wrike is the best fit for you. Wrike's cloud-based project management solution is designed for teams of all sizes. Whether you're in marketing, development, or operations, Wrike provides the essential tools for planning projects, organizing workflows, closely collaborating with your team, and tracking progress in real time. Wrike's fully customizable dashboards, task prioritization, and built-in communication tools keep everyone on the same page and collaborating within the same environment. Wrike helps eliminate the "where do I find the plan" and "send me the most current schedule" types of questions that needlessly increase the friction of getting work done. So, how does Wrike do it? Task management is the heart of the platform. You can create and assign tasks, set deadlines, and monitor the status of every task in a project. What's cool is that everything is neatly organized in one place, making it easy for project managers and teams alike to see who's working on what and whether deadlines are being met. And depending on which Wrike plan you use, you can convert your project plans into reusable templates by duplicating an existing project or saving it as a template. But Kyle, I hear you ask, does Wrike also have Gantt charts? Of course it does. This is the future. In fact, Wrike started off as a Gantt chart software and has some of the most sophisticated Gantt charts in the market. There's no better way to see the path your project needs to follow to get done on time. They help you map out tasks, track dependencies, and make adjustments on the fly, perfect for complex projects with lots of moving parts. From your main project view, click one button and your chart is built. Drag and drop the bars to increase the task's duration and everything updates accordingly. Keep track of hours or time in phase with Wrike's available built-in time tracking feature. It allows team members to log their hours manually or automatically. You can even generate reports to monitor productivity and ensure projects are staying within budget. All these features are great, but how do you make them talk to each other? That's where automations come into play. In a lot of ways, automations are the superpowers of project management software. By letting the application take care of repetitive, error-prone work, automations free you up to focus on more important, high-value tasks. Wrike delivers with its built-in automation tools and intuitive builders, allowing you to create rules and workflows that help reduce repetitive tasks. For example, you can automatically assign tasks based on project status or set notifications to keep team members informed. Speaking of team members, how do you use Wrike to connect and collaborate with the outside world? Wrike's got you covered with more than 400 native integrations that connect with all of your business's mission-critical systems. At the start of this video, I asked, is Wrike the future of project management? While it's true that just like John Connor said in The Terminator, the future is not set, know that whatever comes your way, you'll be set for it with Wrike Work Intelligence. Wrike has engineered cutting-edge AI deep into the platform so you can get more work done with less effort. Wrike Work Intelligence uses your current and past project data to streamline every aspect of project management. Risk prediction, auto-summarization of reports and status updates, drafting and refinement of project briefs, brainstorming, building workflows, converting voice notes to tasks and action items. The list is endless. With Wrike Work Intelligence, users report completing projects 25% quicker, 40% more efficient workflows and processes, and perhaps most impressively, spending 50% less time in status meetings. Wait, status meetings cut in half? Seriously? Could we do that? We know AI is disrupting how work gets done throughout the entire world. Project management is no different, and in a lot of ways, project management is uniquely suited to benefit from what AI does best. Think about how much time and effort you spend on stuff that's important for the project's success, but isn't necessarily new or strategic work. Scheduling, updating, reporting, rescheduling, setting up update meetings to go over the rescheduled schedule. AI is poised to handle so much of the work that gets in the way of what creates value for your business, which means that project management tools like Wrike that are baking AI into their functionality are already reshaping the future of how project management gets done. Click the link in the description below for a free trial to Wrike to see if it's right for you. Also, we've done tons of videos on project management topics in the past, so you can check them out here in this playlist. And swing by TechnologyAdvice.com for more info on Wrike, project management, and other tech goodies. Thanks as always for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.